Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable AC that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Agawa Portable Air Conditioner Window Kit. Regardless of their size, every window AC kit on our list seals a window with a zippered enclosure or sliding plates, although some come with a few more accessories than others. If you're looking to replace the exhaust hose or simply want a complete kit, Agawa has the answer for you. This window kit from Agawa is another simple system that uses sliding plates to seal the gap in a window around the exhaust hose. In this case, there are two seal plates that are 21.6 long and slide together to cover windows around 43. It won't work on casement windows but will seal up sliding windows quickly. ABS plastic was used in the plates, and the included adapter is designed to fit 5.9 exhaust hoses. It should find most systems from manufacturers like LG, Honeywell, and Frigidaire, but you won't need a hose as this kit comes with one. The exhaust hose extends from around 14.9 to 80 inches long and has a clockwise thread. Moving on at number 4, we have the Airly Window Seal for portable AC units. While most window kits for portable AC units work with various types of windows, casement windows are a different story. There aren't as many options for homeowners with this type of window, but this window seal system from Airly is among the best. Casement windows are a popular style of window found in homes but can be challenging to seal off due to their design. Airly designed their portable window AC kit with this in mind, as it's geared to handle both pull-in and push-out casements windows that open from any side. It's also incredibly easy to install as long as your window is within the size range of this kit. This system will fit any casement window below 158, so you'll need to measure the perimeter of your window to see if it's within those specifications. Bugs and flying insects will be kept at bay thanks to the design, which includes a sturdy zipper for easy hose access. The kit comes with the window seal, adhesive fastening tape, and an e-book with installation instructions. At number 3, we have the gulrear dual hose portable air conditioner. Portable air conditioners with a single exhaust vent are the most popular style, which makes it challenging to find a ventilation kit for a dual exhaust system. If you're unable to acquire an OEM replacement for your portable AC unit, you'll want to consider this kit from gulrear. Gulrear designed this window AC kit for sliding windows that open vertically or horizontally. While they still utilize a sliding rail design, their kit comes with 3 plates, which allows you to find the perfect fit. All 3 are 19.6 long, but the main pieces are 2 inches wider than the channeled plate. When properly installed, it can fit windows between 20 inches to 55 inches in size. This kit is available in 2 sizes depending on your portable air conditioning system. There is a model with a 5.9 exhaust and intake outlets, along with a variant that has the same size exhaust outlet but a smaller 5 inches intake outlet. Both come with everything you need to get started, including sealing tape, butterfly screws, and exhaust hose adapters. At number 2, we have the Tibismi portable AC window vent. The word universal should be taken lightly with portable AC window kits, given the different styles of windows available to homeowners today. The Tibismi portable window AC vent can't handle every type of window, but it's the best system for long-term use if you have sliding windows in your home. This portable window AC kit uses a telescoping rail system made from high-quality PVC. It's durable and easy to remove when not in use, with rails designed to work with horizontal and vertical sliding windows. The range on this kit is 26 inches to 47 inches, but the moving seal allows for a more flexible installation than you'll find from similar kits. Another perk of this window kit is the fact it can work with both clockwise and counterclockwise ventilation hoses. The hose's size depends on which kit you purchase, as this one is available for both 5.1 and 5.9 diameter exhaust hoses, which helps add to the universal appeal of the Tibismi window kit. And finally at number 1, we have the HOMME door seal for portable air conditioner. Over 90% of portable air conditioning kits are sold for use with windows, but not everyone wants to use a window to vent their AC unit. If you have a sliding glass door, a screen-based system is often the best solution, and we're fans of this door seal kit from HOMME. If you have a sliding glass door in your home, you may be aware of Magic Mesh or similar products. The HOMME door seal system has a similar design as it's held in place with a series of Velcro strips and 26 sewed magnetic points. It also has an opening you can walk through with a zipper so you can still use the door without taking down the ventilation kit. This system is designed to fit standard sliding doors 83 inches high with openings up to 36 inches wide. Exhaust vent access comes from a separate zipper on the right side and measures 22 inches long. Double zippers allow you to use it with single or dual exhaust portable air conditioners, although there are no connectors included with this model.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.